You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding tech. We're here to demystify operating systems in just 60 seconds. Alright, imagine your computer's an orchestra, and the operating system is the conductor. It's the unsung hero that manages all the hardware and software, making sure everything runs smoothly. Whether you're opening apps, surfing the web, or playing games, the operating system is coordinating it all behind the scenes. Think of it as the middleman between you and your machine, translating your commands into actions. Popular examples: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, they're like different flavors of ice cream. Each has its own features, but they all do the same essential job. They keep your computer organized and efficient, so next time your device boots up without a hitch, give a silent nod to your operating system. It's the reason your tech world spins effortlessly. Got it? Brilliant. Now go dazzle your friends with your new tech savvy.